Definite integrals. Our first example is integral b a x squared dx. So first, we're gonna apply the power rule. Which is equal to x squared over 3 ba is equals to b cubed over 3 minus a cubed over 3. It is equal to b cubed minus a cubed over 3. And this is our final answer. We have our second example. Integral pi 0 sine x dx is equal to sine x dx. The integral of sine x is negative cosine x. We have the quantity of negative cosine x 0 is equal to 2. Our final answer is 2.